Hey everybody, Tin Man here. Welcome to my easy cooking channel. What I have here is some oysters in a jar, and I've been playing around with these a little bit and came up with a pretty good way to cook these. Basically I just put them in some butter, and I'm going to cut up some garlic, so butter and garlic, and then some sriracha. Now I only live about half hour, 45 minutes from the coast because I live in Northern California. And, you know, there's local oyster farms nearby, but I bought these at the store, these yesterday, and these come from Washington State. These come from Oregon. So I guess one of these days I'm just going to have to go out and buy some local ones, hopefully some fresh live ones in the shell, and do a video of that. But for today I'm just going to use these. Okay, so I cut up that big clove of garlic. Now I'm just going to turn my burner on here just so the butter will melt. And then I'm going to mix the sriracha in with that, and then we'll put the oysters in there. And then I'm going to cook these in the toaster oven, because I found that when you cook the butter and the garlic right on the stove like that, it tends to burn. So seems to turn out better in the toaster oven. Okay, that butter is melted, so we'll put some sriracha in there now. And kind of mix that around. Let's get our oysters in here. Now these are small size oysters. The ones I had yesterday were medium, so let's see. I don't know how many of these will be in here. 2. I did cook one this morning, so 3. 4. 5. Okay, so we have 5 oysters there. I'm just going to mix that around and get all that garlic and butter and sriracha all over the oysters there, so they're all coated. Okay, now let's put them in a toaster oven. Alright, I set my oven to 400 degrees. Let's put those oysters in there and let them cook. It's been about 10 minutes. Let me see if I can show you how these oysters look. See, they're just cooking nice and slowly there. And it doesn't look like anything's burning. Now these tend to be kind of slimy, these ones from the jar, so I like to let them cook for a while, and that way they have a firmer texture. It's been about 20 minutes or so, so I'm going to check these. Alright, looking good. See, most of the liquid is starting to cook out. Oysters look like they're getting pretty firm. I think I'll leave them in just a couple more minutes, and then we'll pull them out of there. It's been about 25 minutes. There we are. That looks nice. I'm pulling those out of there. Alright, I let these cool down a little bit here. See how nice that looks? The garlic didn't burn. It's just a nice golden brown. Let's taste one of these oysters and see if it's any good. Wow, that's awesome. The garlic and the butter and the sriracha has a lot of flavor. That's really good. Maybe next time I'll do something like this with some fresh oysters. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll talk to you next time.